to my channel. My name is Suzette. In this video, I am making a towel art dinosaur. To make the dinosaur, I am using one bath towel, one hand towel, and one washcloth. First, I will use the bath towel to make the body of the dinosaur. Please watch and see how I am folding it. Now I am done making the body. I will set it aside, and I will now use the hand towel to make the head and the face towel to make the tail of the dinosaur. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Your support is always appreciated. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so, and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any new videos. Also, share this video with your families and your friends, and leave your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback, guys.